Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of 60 words per minute. In this passage, many a word will come with respect to the chapter upward or downward, L and ish. In this passage, some difficult words are there. Those words are written on the board and enclosed to this passage so that you may practice those difficult words before taking dictation. Five seconds. Some authorities allege that eagles seldom, if at all, carry off lambs, but there are number of cases in which thoroughly reliable people have shown that they are guilty of the charge. In April 1934, a northern gamekeeper saw an eagle flying slowly overhead. He fixed his glass and suddenly saw it swoop down among some sheep and lambs. As it rose again, he noticed that it carried a small lamb in its talons. It flew for nearly half a mile and then came to earth, possibly for a rest. Then again it flew on with its burden, but it had gone less than half a mile when the lamb fell from its grasp. It may be that the lamb was too heavy, or that the eagle suddenly became suspicious that some peril was lurking below. When the gamekeeper got to the lamb, it was still alive, but it had a long gash below one of its ears and was seemingly near death. His wife, however, took charge of it, and in less than a week it was able to return to the flock from which it had been so ruthlessly torn. An observer states that in the lambing season he has seen two eagles come almost daily across the sea from the Isle of Skye with a young lamb each in their claws. The distance across from Skye is nearly 25 miles. We thank you for your assurances of help in our endeavors to induce shopkeepers to close for a holiday on Wednesdays at 2 o'clock. We are pushing the petition with the utmost vigor among shopmen in this neighborhood, and it is refreshing to observe the alacrity with which they sign their names. They are by no means slow to apprehend the advantages which may accrue to them from such a petition. We hope to learn the Council's decision on the last Tuesday in this month. I am in favor of the Council obtaining an additional fire engine, but it would be supremely ridiculous to pay such a high price as the Newcastle firm are asking for theirs. Equally powerful machines are procurable at a much cheaper price, and I shall oppose the proposal on the agenda when it comes on solely on the score of expense. If only a paltry sum were at stake, it would be different, but one has to remember the people of the borough who have to bear the cost. I trust you will readily agree with the view I have taken.